Alright, so my truck just went into the funky mode, so nothing on the dash, nothing here. Open the door. GMC doesn't pop up there. Put the key in. Turn the key. And nothing. You go over here. Lock, unlock, nothing happened. This, lock, unlock, nothing happens. Not sure why this happens, but this is getting to be a major pain in the ass. So hopefully GMC fixes this or knows what the issue is. But again, nothing showing up on the dash. Nothing there. It takes a while to reset after a few minutes, 10, 15 minutes. Then everything fires right back up. But for whatever reason, my truck right now won't start. Nothing, no electronics, nothing works. So I assume this is the theft deterrent mode. Not sure what puts it in it, but it's getting to be kind of a pain in the ass. So GMC, please fix this issue.